Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 4066R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor has just over 100 hours on it. It's practically a new machine. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Also comes with the 440R quick attach loader. The loader is plumbed for Grapple, so you do have the third function on the loader there. Bucket's in nice shape, has a John Deere style quick connect and your bucket quick attach. Grill guards on the machine. Paint is in excellent shape as you would expect. Has the work lights on front and back of the cab. Has the ag tires which still have the ridges on the treads. Doors on both sides of the cab. Rear wiper. Tractor also has dual remotes back here. Top link, 3-point arms, stabilizer bars, 540 PTO, drawbar, everything is here. Also has the optional extendable links and the 3-point arms. Also has the hitch assist, which allows you to raise and lower your 3-point arms with this knob right here, and also allows you to physically move the tractor forward and back with these buttons right here. So if you get close to your implement that you're attaching, you can finish it with the combination of the buttons, the knob there to raise and lower. So very, very nice feature. Makes hooking implements much easier. The 4R series are a premium grade tractor. This is the premium version in the John Deere 4 series. Does have the air right seat for the operator, tilt steering wheel. Still smells new in here. Does have the 3-range hydrostatic transmission. 3 ranges here to the left of the seat. Twin pedals of the floor for forward reverse. And all your hydraulic loader controls located to the right, as well as your load match, speed match, motion match, cruise control, throttle. All those controls are located in this keypad right here. Up top you have climate controls. Also has a radio up top left there. So very nice tractor. Obviously nearly new with only 125 hours. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. You can double check the listing for the exact dates. But very nice find here. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any other used machines, please contact us at massedtractor.com.